How to fix no photos available in Photos widget in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, press and hold on your screen and then click on Edit. Now click on Add widget. Now here you can add your photo widget. Now click on Photos and then add your Photos widget. And if you can't show the photo on this widget, then simply click on this widget. And if you can't see the photo, then simply press and hold on it and then click on Edit. Go back and press and hold on widget and then click on Edit widget. Now here you can choose the album. Now here you can see the album, then click on album. Then after clicking on album, then your photos will show on your widget. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.